group is complete on
Yun, ano ko, 40 kilos na siya. May ano yan. Ito, kung sila. Basta niya po doon, kung maulawan pa nung kumala na lang.
Look. So no group is complete on its own. We grow best when we learn from each other. No? So makikita harmonious relationship to our community and ito kung gawin nun. Hindi na siya mapadaklig ba? Mapadaklig. No? So para balance. So that we have to know in ourselves we can embrace others with empathy and compassion.
Paduol po, paduol.
So that ends our activity, but then before going home, nakatay community singing.
Delay live boy.
Sa'yo na, picture.
Natin yung song.
Uy, harap lang ba nila? Ma'am Geraldine.
Tarik Madre, magmanampan.
Okay. So before sa atong community singing, so let us have our closing prayer that will be given by